Hi guys, this is Shumon here, and in this video I'm going to share with you smartphone features. Maybe you never notice it or you have never searched for it and you don't know about that features. The smartphone company is different, but the main Android software is the same. So these features can be there on all kind of smartphone. Okay, so what is this features? So the features is, maybe let's give you an example. Suppose you are using a smartphone at a bed and your sister suddenly asking you, bro, please give your phone. I want to use it because my phone has been shut down. And you are worried that, yeah, you have done previously some kind of, I don't need to say, blah, blah, blah. You understand what I'm trying to say. So this feature can be really tricky and useful for you.
So okay guys, now I'm gonna show you one MI smartphone, then I will show you one vivo smartphone. Okay, so just swipe down your scroll bar and then tap on setting, that is your top right corner. Okay, so now you have to swipe up your screen. Okay, so now there is an option that is special features. As you can see, just tap on it. Okay, now there are 5 options actually, and you have to choose 4th option. Just tap on it. And as you can see, there is another option that is go to second space. Just tap on it.
So guys, I have done some mistake here. So the mistake is actually the Android security reason. The screen is blank, so nothing is here, but the process is really simple. Just you have to enter your password here and you will be switched to your second page. Okay guys, as you can see that actually guys, here I could be record my screen, but the screen recorder has been gone. I can't find here any screen recorder. So the smartphone looks like a new smartphone. So here it is completely risk free, and you can share your smartphone to your sister and anyone. So okay guys, I have just shown you how to use these features on MI smartphone. Now I am going to show you on vivo smartphone. Okay, just scroll down and find your setting. So here is the setting. I'm just going to tap it. Setting is open, and now here is the option multiple user. Just click on it, and here is 2 options: add user and guest user. So if you want to add your user, maybe your phone might be used to different person, like your brother and you. So nowadays, like your I'm not talking your adult brother, I'm talking your child brother. Just click on add user if you share your smartphone to your brother, and if you just want to share your phone suddenly with someone, just click on guest. Actually guys, I'm not going to record my screen, because if I click just switch to guest, my screen recorder will be stopped and my video will be frozen. So that's why I'm recording this video from my different smartphone. And how to turn on these features I'm going to show I'm going to record the screen from my different smartphone. Just click on switch. Just wait guys, almost there. Okay guys, the process is completely done, and as you can see, the phone is completely new. You don't need to worry or confused to share your smartphone to your sister or anyone. So guys, I hope you have liked that features and watched that video till the end. So thanks for watching the video. If you have liked that video, and if you want to get more tips and tricks about smartphone related and tech related tips and tricks, so you can subscribe my channel and like that video and comment me what kind of video do you want. Okay, thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.